Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download Genshin Impact on macOS and install without Bootcamp. As you know, you can install any games like Genshin Impact on Mac without Bootcamp. And Genshin Impact only support on Windows, so you have to install Windows first on your Mac if you want to play Genshin Impact. This tutorial is very helpful for you users Mac M1 chip. So go to your Mac. So please download firmware version on Mac, or you can check the link download on description. Okay, after download finish, please install and launch the firmware version on your Mac. Okay, please launch the apps and select the installation method. Please download Windows ISO file first for installing Windows on your Mac. You can check the link download the file on description. Okay, please drag and drop the file to firmware version. Please setting the firmware. Make sure the setting is recommended to play Genshin Impact. Please setting one by one. Okay, click next until installing Windows show up and complete the installation for Windows 7. Make sure the setting is recommended to play Genshin Impact. Okay, please complete the installation one by one. It is very easy. And I will skip this process because I have already installed Windows 7 on firmware version. Okay. Okay, here I'm running Windows 10 on firmware version. Okay, still loading. Okay, log into your Windows. And please refresh the Windows for running smoothly. And then download Genshin Impact on browser. Or you can check the link download on description. Okay, and select for Windows button. Don't download for App Store because it only runs on iOS, not for macOS. Okay, please download. Okay, until download finish, please open Genshin Impact setup and install the apps. Please click install now. Okay, and click the game on launcher and select the location folder to install Genshin Impact and launch the game. Okay, the game is running. Please sign up or log in to MiHoYo account to play Genshin Impact. Okay, after login, please select the server and start the game. And yeah, Genshin Impact is successfully running on Mac device. Please enjoy the game. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.